Alright, so we're going to replace the GFCI with a new one. This one's fried, doesn't work anymore. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the new one in now. Alright, so we got the new one reinstalled, got rid of the one that had the cracked plate here. And the old GFCI was pretty old, you can see it's pretty much, yeah, it was wore out. Okay, and power's back on. And as you can see, green light means all good to go. Test, green light, and it's all good.
Sweet.
Okay, if you want to give it something to test, we'll got something to plug in there. Where do you normally plug in?
The coffee pot, man, that's the most important thing.
Well, let's get that over here. Give it a little
I
test.
only had 3 cups today. I'm a little bit low. So.
We need to get you on that quick. All right, and there we have the coffee maker is operational again with the new plug. We're all good to go.